There's Spike, baby.
Is that great? Good.
What do you think, baby?
There, you get to see it. I think she'll take it.
What do you think, baby?
It's the first time she's ever tasted cereal.
Oh, what does it taste like? Is it yummy? Is it yummy, Viv?
Oh, she's making it.
Come here, you. Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Can I feed her? I'm a big sister.
You are a good big sister.
Can I feed her?
Well, let me see if I
Let's
can get her
make
to
sure
take a
that
little
she'll
first.
eat some first,
Then I can feed her.
and then who knows? Before you know it, you'll be feeding her. First, we have to make sure that she'll eat it. It's new, so it takes a little while for her to get used to it.
It tastes kind of funny to her.
Can I feed her?
Let me try first, okay? We're going to see if she likes it.
You can count the number of spoonfuls, Elsie. You're good at counting, right?